Hello, thank you very much. I will not take your much time for your support, what you people have done. I want to say thank you behalf of Rotary Club, Yangon or Myanmar people. I will tell you one very interesting story. It will take only 3 minutes and it will give you the philosophy of life. So there were two friends. One friend of having 5 bread pieces. Another friend is having 3 bread pieces. So they are supposed to start a breakfast. In between there is a one person join them. So now they decided how to eat these breads. So one person is having 5 bread. Another person is having 3 bread. So they thought, what should we do? So what they make the pieces of 5 bread, 3 and 3. So 5 multiplied by 3 is how much? 15. 3 multiplied by 3, 9. So total is 24. So now they are having 24 pieces of bread. And now the person who joined them, they all have taken 8 pieces each. They say we will take back, we will eat the properly equal 8 pieces. After that, the gentleman who joined without invitee, he go back and he say, I will give you some gifts because you have offered me the breakfast without and you don't know me. So he give them the 24 pieces of gold coin because they offer him the breakfast free of cost. So now they have given them the 24 pieces of gold coin. Now that gentleman who came without invited after breakfast, given 24 gold coin, go back. So now they both friends are discussing, oh, today we have a very good time. Just with giving the bread pieces, I got 24 coin. So now they want to divide these 24 gold coin. So they both were good friends. So they say, you do one thing, you take toil, I take toil. This is the mostly time we do it. So another one, the person who is having 3 bread, he say, no, I will not give I will not take toil gold coin. I will take because you have donated more. So they were discussing. So what happened? So ideally what happened is either you take toil, I take toil gold coin, that has happened. Then there is a one person who comes, he say, actually you should get the person who is giving the 3 bread making 9 pieces. So basically what he have done, out of 9 pieces, he is eaten 8. So how much he has donated? Only 1. So he should get only 1 gold coin. In life, what you donated, it is more important. What you have not donated is not important. And another person, he was having 15 pieces. He should get, because he donated the 7, so he has to get the more gold coin. What I want to say, what we earn money and use for yourself, that is not important. That all animal and everybody should do. Always people will remember what you donated. For the people who doesn't know, who are not your friend, who are not your relative, and they are not going to anything for in returns, that is a real donation. I appreciate all of you. What those people have buy this painting today, they don't know who are they, where it is going to use. So I appreciate your donation. One thing I want to just tell about Myanmar people maybe they may not have lot of money, but you remember Myanmar is the second most generous country in the world. They may make $100. Out of this, they donate $30 to $35. Sometimes being an Indian, I make lot of money, and sometimes my driver give more donation than me. Because we have Indian, we have not grown in that way. But Myanmar people have they grown up. Whatever they will make it money, they will donate. So keep doing good thing. Thank you very much.
It's still recording. Okay.